Your new home awaits you here in Spring Branch. Welcome to 1804 Kill Devil Falls Drive. Let me show you around. We are excited to present this unique first floor living home in the Live Oak Landing gated community, which features a pool and a playground. Built by Live Oak Builders in 2017, this near new home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a half bath. As you walk through the entry, you are welcomed by high ceilings, an open concept kitchen, dining, and living areas. The gorgeous hardwood floors throughout leads you to the remarkable chef's kitchen and touts a large Carrara marble island and matching countertops. The stainless steel appliance package includes a 36-inch gas range with convection oven, undermount cabinet lighting, soft closed doors and drawers, and a breakfast bar seating area. Close by is the high-end butler's pantry with a 42-inch glass cabinets and a wine chiller. Just off the kitchen sits the dining and living room areas, which showcases the oversized windows and electronic shades with double doors that allow natural light to flow into the space, with access to a private backyard. Upstairs features 2 secondary bedrooms with plantation shutters, hardwood floors, and they both share a full bath. But the heart of this home is the oversized primary suite with its own sitting area or office. Primary features include plantation shutters, crown molding, high ceilings with recessed lights, and hardwood floors. The luxurious primary bath features Carrara marble countertops, an oversized walk-in shower, a large garden tub, and an oversized closet with built-ins and plenty of room for storage. With the refrigerator, washer, and dryer included, you'll love living at Live Oak Landing, as it's unlike any community you'll find this close to the city, as it provides easy access to I-10 in the Beltway and shopping and dining options at City Center. You'll really feel the sense of community and serenity here in Live Oak Landing, as it was created to fit any lifestyle. Call us today so I can show you why 1804 Kill Devil Falls Drive is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.